Hey, here's today's tip to help you be prepared for an emergency situation. Enjoy! Why are crayons a great addition to your emergency preparedness supplies, bug out bag and vehicle emergency kit, you might ask? Well, if you have no power, don't have any candles and need some light, you can make a candle from a crayon. Crayons don't burn as cleanly as candles, but each crayon can burn for around 30 minutes. Place the crayon on a fire-safe surface, away from anything flammable, just in case it falls over. Use a lighter to melt off the pointed end of the crayon. You can drip and stand the crayon up in the melted wax. Then light the paper around the top of the crayon. Hey presto, you have a homemade candle. It's that simple. Check out the links in the description for more useful tips and information. Remember to think like a yo-yo survivor and be prepared for when you're on your own. Be sure to click the notification bell and share this video with your family and friends too, so that they can be smart and be ready in case of a natural disaster, emergency or power outage. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to get regular survival updates and check out my channel to see more. Oh, and if you're like me and love my gear, check out the links in the description. Stay safe.